Have you ever caught someone in a lie and wondered, why did they do it? From tiny white lies to massive deceptions, lying is a universal human behavior, but the reasons behind it are deeper than you think. In this video, we'll uncover the shocking truth about why people lie, breaking down each reason in exactly 3 sentences. So stick around till the end to uncover them all. Reason number 1, fear of consequences. People often lie because they fear the repercussions of telling the truth. Whether it's avoiding punishment, escaping judgment, or sidestepping a difficult conversation, deception becomes a shield. The fear of facing the truth outweighs the guilt of telling a lie. Reason number 2, desire for acceptance. Humans crave social belonging, and sometimes they lie to fit in. By exaggerating experiences, hiding flaws, or agreeing with popular opinions, they construct a version of themselves that seems more likable. This deception isn't always malicious, but stems from an innate need to be valued. Reason number 3, personal gain. Some lies are purely self-serving, designed to gain power, money, or influence. These lies are often calculated, strategic, and designed to manipulate outcomes in the liar's favor. Whether in business, politics, or personal relationships, deceit can be a tool for advancement. Reason number 4, avoiding conflict. Many people lie to maintain peace and avoid confrontation. Instead of telling a harsh truth that could trigger arguments or hurt feelings, they sugarcoat reality. While this might seem considerate, it often leads to bigger issues when the truth eventually surfaces. Reason number 5, protecting someone else. Not all lies are selfish. Some are told to shield loved ones from pain. Whether it's hiding bad news, covering up mistakes, or offering reassurance, these lies come from a place of care. However, even well-intentioned lies can have unintended consequences. Reason number 6, low self-esteem. People struggling with low self-worth sometimes fabricate details about themselves to appear more impressive. They exaggerate achievements, create fictional successes, or downplay failures to avoid feeling inadequate. These lies temporarily boost their confidence, but can lead to deeper insecurities over time. Reason number 7, compulsive lying. For some, lying becomes a habit they can't control, even when there's no clear benefit. This compulsive behavior is often linked to psychological conditions like pathological lying or personality disorders. The individual may not even fully understand why they lie, but it becomes second nature. Reason number 8, social or cultural influence. Society often normalizes small lies, whether it's through media, politics, or everyday interactions. White lies are encouraged as a way to be polite, maintain harmony, or protect traditions. In some cultures, honesty is highly valued, while in others, deception is sometimes considered necessary. Reason number 9, thrill-seeking. Believe it or not, some people lie simply because they enjoy it. The excitement of tricking others, getting away with deception, or crafting a false reality gives them a sense of power. This kind of lying is more common in manipulative personalities and thrill seekers. And finally, reason number 10, memory distortion. Not all lies are intentional. Sometimes people genuinely believe false information. Our brains don't always remember details accurately, leading to unintentional fabrications. Over time, repeated retellings of a story can transform the truth into something completely different. So, why do people lie? Whether it's fear, self-interest, or even habit, deception is part of human nature. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening content.